morning and happy Saturday to everyone. And today I'm gonna make a pancit. This is with the vegetables and chicken pieces. So please keep on watching. Meanwhile, we just have to marinate our chicken pieces for our pancit. So I'm using this palabok pancit, but I'm not making palabok. I'm just making pancit with the chicken pieces and vegetables. So first, we just have to marinate our chicken pieces. So I have here, this is my chicken pieces. I already put crushed garlic with the skin. And now, I'm gonna squeeze one lemon on it. I'm gonna put lemon. Yes. Because it's really lemon. When you marinate your meat in the lemon, it's very nice. It really give lemon. It really give a good taste. And I'm gonna put half teaspoon of salt as well. And Bella will do the lemon. Just have that. And yes. No, you have one there. And I'm gonna put some of this.
No, I want this.
Okay. So like about 1 tablespoon.
More, Mama. Lemon.
And 1 tablespoon of soy sauce as well.
I'm gonna put more lemon, okay, Mama?
Yes. And Bella will squeeze the lemon.
Sorry, guys. I'm not entertaining of lemon. I cannot do this, guys. Guys, if you are doing this, please ask your parents to help you.
So let's just do this. And this is done. And just have to give a good mix. And then just marinate this. And just marinate this for 30 minutes. And then we can start cooking our pancit bihon. Pancit palabok.
Guys, lemon's so sour.
So now our chicken pieces is already ready for... It has been marinated now. So it's for 30 minutes. Now it's time to cook. And aside from this, for our pancit, we need also carrots. I have cut into thin slice, and some cabbage, onion, and garlic. And of course, we need this as well. Here I have a pan. It's just, sorry guys, my house is just noisy because my daughter and my husband was playing. So anyway, first, we just have to put olive oil. And first, we have to cook. We have to saute our meat. Let it hot first. So now this is okay. We can put our meat pieces inside and just saute. So now, this is perfect now. We have to remove now this from the pan. This is okay. And the same pan, we can put our, I don't have oil, so we just have to put little oil. So I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And now we can dump our onion. Isabella is very noisy. Actually, she's playing. So we have to add our onion. And we just saute this. We just brown this. So first, we have to saute our onion. And then we can add our garlic. Then add this. And meanwhile we are cooking this, guys, we have to cook this in a hot water or pancit. So I'm boiling a water now. I'm gonna put this in the boiling water. So So now we have to saute this, and after this we can add our vegetables. So after this we can add our carrots. And just saute. Then after this, we can add our cabbage. And we just have to sprinkle salt on it. Let's say I'm gonna put salt of half teaspoon of salt. I can adjust later, but right now just half teaspoon will be sufficient. Just cook this. And we can put back our meat. And give a good mix. You just cook this in a medium flame while we are waiting for our pancit, because I'm boiling our pancit first. So now guys, this is already perfect, and I've done boiling my pancit palabok. So I just have to put it inside and just give a good mix. I'm not gonna put any soy sauce. I just want my noodles to be like this. This is not a palabok, guys. Only the noodles is for the palabok. But I'm not making palabok. This is just a simple pancit. Like pancit bihon, or yeah, pancit bihon, kind of. Just have to give a good mix. So now let's just have a taste. If it's needed salt. Need salt. You have to put another half teaspoon of salt. And some of the olive oil. Actually, olive oil is healthy, so you don't have to worry about it. It's always nice with pasta, spaghetti, like that. So now I'm mixing with some olive oil. So my noodles, it's moist and not dry. So I'm adding a little bit of olive oil. You have to give good mix. Isabella likes to eat like this, noodles. And also me, I love noodles. This is perfect. Now this is done. Now we have to do our plating. So now, this is our pancit. See? It's nice. It is nice. It's very nice. I like it. So to be honest, this is my first time using the Palabok pancit for just a normal sauteed pancit. Like, so guys, I really like the meat because it was being marinated with lemon, and it's the spongy taste and smells is very nice, and this is really perfect for lunch or dinner. So this is very healthy as I have put lots of vegetables in it compared with the meat. So I hope you like my recipe today, and I'll see you to my next one. Bye.